Hello everyone, welcome to Pro Learner YouTube channel. My name is Ahmad Sandhu. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use map function in React.js. So first of all, I will tell you why you need to use map function in React.js. For example, in a situation, you will need to render a list of data dynamically. So in that situation, you will need to use map function. So first of all, you make sure that the whole data will be stored in an array. After that, you are unable to use map function in React.js. So first of all, we will open our project in VS Code, and here in my project I will create a simple array of students with multiple objects. So then I will render that data by using map function. Okay, I will create an array here of students, and inside it I will create single object for single student. First of all, the unique number is roll number for a student. Okay, and then student name for just make it simple. Okay, now I will change the data. After that I will change the name, and after that I will go inside this JSX and create a simple unordered list. Okay, and inside this list I will use map function on this array simple student, and here I will write list. Okay, inside this I will render simple name and roll number. So first of all, student name, and inside it student name, then roll number, and after that you will write an key here. So make sure the key is unique. So in this array the unique thing is roll number, so I will add roll number as a key. Okay, I will save this, and now I will open my terminal and run this project by using npm start. Okay, now I will wait for 10 to 30 seconds to run my project successfully on localhost. Okay, now my localhost ran successfully. After that I will open my Chrome. Okay, I refresh the page. Here you see my data of students run successfully and dynamically. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to use map function in React.js to render dynamically list. Okay, I hope you like the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.